very careful with how you associate yourself with your partner's close friends. Could be friends, could be close relatives. As long as your partner is hanging out with these people all the time, they're the same people who know who your partner got drunk with the previous night. They're the same people who know who your partner is secretly seeing. They're the same people, mark my word, who know about your partner's social media accounts that are fake, because they're the same people that are chatting with him on these social media accounts. So you need to be very, very careful while associating with them, because they're going to be the same people that come to you smiling at you, you know, greeting you with a warm smile, calling you a woman, calling you every nice word, when they secretly know about your partner's dirt.